folks, this video is about how to prevent dental cavities in your teeth. What happened to me, you can stay decades, maybe forever, without having any dental cavities in your teeth using these 4 simple tips that I will tell you. The first one, in 1986, I went to the dentist. Every 6 months I had cavities in my teeth. So I went to the dentist once again. I was 21 years old, and the dentist said, "Hey, why don't you, I can tell you what to do so you never will have cavities anymore in your teeth." I said, "No, you're not gonna do that. I don't think it's possible." "Yeah, all you have to do is use dental floss after you finish eating, and especially before sleeping." And I said, "Why you tell me this? Because I will not come here anymore. I like you, and you're gonna be my dentist now." This was the first time that I went to this dentist. He said, "No, I tell this everybody. Nobody does. If you do, it's good for you." And I said, "Hey, but how do you know it works? Have you done this?" He said, 20 years. I never had a cavity." "Oh, no, you kidding me. It's not possible. Somebody 20 years without a cavity." "No, 20 years. I never had a cavity in 20 years. After I start using the dental floss, I start flossing after I finish eating. And I started doing that religiously, 3 times a day at least. And he said as well, avoid sugar, avoid especially soda. You can drink, but not so much. I said, what about mouthwash? Use not every day. Use like 3 times a week or twice a week, 1 time a week. Mouthwash can kill the good bacteria that you need in your mouth. And I said, okay, I will do that. And after 5 years, something like that, 3 years, I realized I didn't have to floss so much. Maybe twice a day, but especially I try never to miss before going to sleep at night. Oh, sometimes I work during the night and I slept during the day. So before sleeping, because the acid forms in your teeth when you're sleeping, especially if you eat sugar or any food. I started doing that after 20 years, more than 20 years, a little bit. I had some cavities in my teeth, but because this is the second tip. The first one is dental floss. The second one, never use any metal to clean your teeth. Use a piece of wood or a toothpick. If you don't have a toothpick, you just cut a little piece of wood. I work with carpenter, for example. For me, it's easy to cut and clean. It's just 1 tooth between 2 teeth. Sometimes, not every day, that this happens. Like once 2 months, maybe this will happen. But don't use metal. Don't touch your teeth with metal. I didn't know. Nobody never told me that. This is the second one. The third one is sugar. Avoid sugar. Eat vegetable, especially vitamin K. The fourth one is when you drink something hot, don't drink anything cold. Wait till the temperature in your mouth is neutral. Wait as much as possible. Like if you drink something hot, wait at least 10 minutes. Then you eat something cold. The same thing, if you eat something cold or drink something cold, wait to drink something hot or to eat something hot. So these are the 4 ways to avoid dental cavities. Most important, flossing before sleeping. This is the most important. This is what the dentist told me, and it never failed. fell when I used metal, that's it. More than 10 years ago, never had cavities again. Check all my videos about health, all my videos. I highly recommend you to check all my videos because they are made to help you, to make your life easier so you can save. But you have to go to the dentist sometimes, at least every year, to check if everything is okay, clean up. It's good to go to the dentist, but you can avoid having dental cavities doing these 4 things that I said. Flossing, avoid metal in your teeth, avoid eating something hot and cold without giving some time, and avoid sugar. Eat good food, especially vegetables. Besides the 4 tips that I already said, there are 3 more. One I already mentioned, but I'm gonna repeat: the mouthwash. Avoid as much as possible. I never use it. Nothing happens to me. It will kill the good bacteria in your mouth. So brush your teeth, of course, every time that you floss, but not any toothpaste. It has to be the good one that is not so abrasive. The abrasive one will damage the enamel of the teeth. Use the ones for sensitive teeth. Those are the best ones. Usually cost a little more, but it's worth. You will buy the right product for your teeth. And the third one, besides the 4, is when you eat or drink anything that is acidic, tomato, lemon, vinegar, things like that. Avoid those things, but when you do it, rinse your mouth as soon as possible. Preferably avoid those kinds of things, but if you do, rinse immediately because it will damage the enamel of your teeth. So these 3 as well, they are important. There are 4 that I mentioned before. They are a little more important, but these 3, they are super important too. I finally reached the 1,000 subscribers mark. For some people, this is nothing. People that have 100,000 subscribers, 500,000 subscribers, 5 million subscribers, even 200 million subscribers. I think it's the biggest channel. But 1,000 for me is a big deal at this moment. And I hope you guys continue subscribing in my channel. I will make more videos about other subjects besides health. But health is more urgent because this can make a difference now for you, right? In this case, if you have any dental problems and the health problems, like I keep insisting magnesium chloride because I never heard about I didn't know it was so important. I had at home, I took some time, but I didn't know it was so important that it has to be every day, like the dental floss, the same thing, maybe even more important. So share my videos, please, and make a comment. It will help as well. Give a like. If you didn't subscribe yet, please subscribe. It's important for me. It will help me. And I hope to see you soon.